In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Canva website private. If you've built a website in Canva and want to keep it for select eyes only, Canva's built-in password protection makes that simple. I'll walk you through the exact steps and share a few tips to make sure everything works smoothly from start to finish. First, open your Canva website design. This is the project you want to share as a website, not a presentation or a document. Make sure you're in the editor view so you can access all the publishing options along the top bar. Next, look to the upper right corner and click Publish Website. This opens the publishing panel where you control how your site goes live. If you see a Share button first, choose the option that leads to publishing as a website. You should now be on the page that handles your site's visibility, link, and basic details. From here, open Website Settings. This section contains controls for how your site behaves once it's published. Take a moment to read any brief descriptions you see, since they can help you confirm you're adjusting the right options. Now, find Password Protection. This is the feature that restricts access to your site. When it's off, anyone with the link can view your website. When it's on, visitors are asked for a password before they can see any page. Turn Password Protection on. As soon as it's enabled, you'll be prompted to create a password. Choose a strong, memorable password and avoid using anything personal or easy to guess. Keep it somewhere secure and only share it with people who truly need access. Remember, this password applies to the entire site, so visitors will need it before they can view any content. After entering your password, click Save. This confirms your settings and applies the protection to your published site. If your site is already live, the change takes effect right away. If you're publishing for the first time, it will be protected from the moment it goes live. To double-check everything worked, copy your website link and open it in a private or incognito browser window. You should see a password prompt before any content loads. Enter the password, and your site should open as normal. That's it. With password protection enabled and saved, only people who have the password can open your Canva website. If you ever need to update or remove the password, return to the same website settings area, adjust the password protection option, and save your changes.